everyone, I'm James McIlwee, and I just thought I'd show you all the weather out here. You can see there's lots of snow coming down. You probably can't see it on screen, but you can probably hear it. And as you can see, I went for a walk this afternoon, and boy is there lots of snow coming down. Yeah, and this is on Sunday afternoon, and here's outside the side of our house. Yeah, and boy is that snow coming down hard. Yeah, you can see I still have our shovel out. Yeah, we bought this shovel a couple years ago, I think. It's a new one, and I'll have to get that snow shoveled out tomorrow morning. Yeah, and I don't know whether or not this is the kind of snow that you can sled in, but we'll have to find out by tomorrow morning, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's my quick little video to show you all the snowstorm for today. I hope you all like this video. Remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends. And remember to turn on the notifications so you don't miss another video on my channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click on that like button and subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell as well. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends, and leave a comment below. And thanks to you all for watching. And I will see you all in the next video. Until then, this is James McIlwee signing off.